What's good, you guys? It's Nick. You read that title right. How to shoot cinematic video on your phone. Cue the intro. Looks good, doesn't it? So all of this was done just using my iPhone, and then I also used a GorillaPod for some of the shots as well. Okay, so now down to the nitty gritty. How do you actually shoot video using your iPhone or Android so that it's smooth and stabilized? So the app that I used is called Hyperlapse, and what this app does, it's designed for long time lapses, and then it stabilizes that footage. Primarily though, we're just gonna be using it so that we can stabilize the footage and then play it back at 1x speed. Alright, so we're gonna jump on here into Hyperlapse, and this app is really simple to use. Basically, you can just switch which camera you're using and then start recording. So record your sequence of video, and as you can see, my hands really weren't that steady. It was pretty shaky, but the real magic happens when you stop recording the video. So once you're done, you're gonna click stop recording, and then it's gonna process the video and stabilize it. It's gonna initially start on about 6x speed. You can speed it up if you want if you're trying to shoot a time lapse, but that's not what we're doing here today. We are trying to stabilize this video. So drag it back down to 1x speed, and you're gonna see a huge difference here. It's basically stabilizing this video, similar to what Premiere Pro does with the warp stabilizer effect. Now all you need to do is just save it to your photos, and you've got nice, crispy, stabilized video. All right, you guys, so all the links for this app are gonna be down below in the description. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.